Good day, Ultimate Mass Stars. Welcome to an exciting day. I hope you had your quiet time. Please endeavor to always have your quiet time. It is very, very important. Today, we'll be looking at operations with binary numbers. Operations with binary numbers. This operation has to do with the addition, the subtraction, and then the multiplication with binary numbers. And remember, binary numbers are base 2 numbers. So today we'll be looking at how to add, how to subtract, and how to divide with binary numbers. I'll start with the multiplication. The multiplication is just the same thing with what we have. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 1, I beg your pardon, is 1. So the multiplication aspect is just normal. But coming to the addition, there is a little difference if you are adding as far as binary numbers is concerned. Now 0 plus 0 is 0 is actually normal. 0 plus 1 is 1, normal. 1 plus 0 is 1, normal. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Let me show you how the 1, 0 is gotten. 1 plus 1, normally 1 plus 1 is actually 2. But you can't write 2 because the highest digit in any number base is 1 less than the number base. That is in base 2. The highest digit in base 2 is actually 1. So we can't write 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll say 2 divided by the number base is base 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1 remainder 0. So you write down this 0 and then carry this 1. Since there is nothing, you bring it down. So that is how 1 plus 1 equal to 10 in 1, 0 in binary number is gotten. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Normally, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. But we can't write 3. You say 3 divided by the number base, which is 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. So you write down this 1 and take this 1 here. Since there is nothing, you bring it down. So, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 1, 1. Then, 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normally, it's supposed to be 4. We can't write the 4. You say 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, remainder 0. So you write down this 0 here and then carry this 2. And remember, 2 is actually 1, 1. Or, okay, we can't write this 2. So 2 divided by 2 again is 1, remainder 0. You write down this 0 and then carry over this 1, making 1, 0, 0. Now, there is the one that is not actually part of the notes. What of if you have something like this, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Normally, it's supposed to give us 5. We can't write the 5. You say 5 divided by 2. This will give us 2, remainder 1. You write down this remainder, carry this 2. This same 2, you can't write it. You divide it again by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. You write down the 0 and then carry over the 1 there. I hope we're following. It's actually very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So let's take the A parts. Find the sum. Sum is actually addition. The sum of 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Always start from the units side. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. So let's add. Are we together? Okay. Now, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is actually 1, 1. So you write down 1, then carry over 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. You write down this 0, then carry over this 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. You write down 1, carry over 1 again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. You write down 1, carry over the 1 again. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. So since there is nothing else, you can bring down the 1, 1. So our answer is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Let's take the B part here. Subtract 1, 1, 1 from 1, 1, 1, 0. So you write this first. 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So let's go. I hope we're together. I hope we're together. Okay. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Now, please, I want us to pay attention to the subtraction aspect because there was actually no rules or there's no hint. So please, let's pay attention. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Anytime you are subtracting, we take from here, it remains 0. Now, normal kind of subtraction, you attach it here, but no, we don't do that. When you subtract, it is equal to the number base you are subtracting. Since all these are in base 2, so if you take 1 here, that one you take, don't attach it here to make it 10. No, that one you take is equal to the number base, which is 2. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Now, 0 minus 1 is still not possible. You borrow from here. If you borrow from 1, it remains 0. If you are bringing it here, you are not attaching. It is what? It is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Then here again, 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you take from here, you take from here, you take from here, which is 0, and that one is actually 2. So 2 minus 1 gives us 1. Here is 0, and there is nothing. So this is our answer. Actually, what I just solved now is actually the C part. I'll take the B part now. I hope we're following. Now, the B part. The B part is easier than this. 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you borrow from here, it becomes 0. When you borrow, it is equal to the number base, which is actually 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, normal. 1 minus 1, normal, is actually 0. And then you bring down the 1. I want to re-explain this C part again. Let me re-explain it. I know some of us have not gotten it very well. 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you borrow from here. When you borrow from here is 0. If you bring it here, it is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Good. 0 minus 1 is not possible. You borrow from here, remaining 0. If you are bringing it here, you are not attaching. It is equal to the number base, which is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 again is not possible. You borrow from here, it remains 0. If you bring it here, that is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Here is 0, is nothing. So there is no need writing the 0. So this is it. It's actually very, very exciting. Very, very exciting and interesting. So let's take the D parts, which is the last one, multiplication. Multiply 1, 0, 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1 times 1, 1, 1. So we'll just do normal long division, the one we have in our primary school. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times, then we'll start with this one. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. And finally, 1 times 1, 1. Then the third step now. 1 times this one is 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. So we now add up. We add up. And we must follow the rule. Since we are adding, we follow the rule for addition. You bring down 1. 1 plus 1. Remember, what is 1 plus 1? I hope we have not forgotten. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. So write down 0, then carry 1 here. Then 1 plus this 1 plus this 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 1, 1. You write down 1, carry 1 again. That 1 plus this 1 plus this 1 gives us 1, 1. You write down 1, carry 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, which is 1, 0. You write down 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 1, 0. So this is how we go about it. Thank you very much for your time, and God bless you. And assignments, our classwork is already there in your Google Classroom. God bless you.